Which DJ mixer should you buy? And why Pioneer are rinsing your wallets. I'm going to cover every budget range and skill level in under 2 minutes and give you a tip you can't miss at the end. Okay, beginner mixers with 2 channels. If you're on a budget and don't care about little things like effects, get the DJM 250 Mark IIs or the Zone 23s. If you do want things like effects, get the DJM 450s, but these are a bit pricier. If you're a beginner on a budget and want 4 channels, go for the Zone 43s, Behringer 900s, or Reloop 60s. These are up to a quarter of the price of the Pioneer equivalents and function pretty much exactly the same. Now onto professional mixers. You've got the Pioneer DJM 750 Mark IIs and the 900 Nexus 2s. Can't really fault these decks, they're super reliable, they've got all the features you need, or you could go for the Zone 92 Mark IIs if you're into your vinyl or just prefer them. If you're looking for a rotary mixer, I go for the Warm 2s or the Warm 4s, depending on how many channels you want. Right, now for the top of the range mixers, if you're on a budget, I go for the Zone 96s. These are about £1,600 new and are incredible. If you've got a bit more cash, depending on your style or preference, I go for the A9 or the V10. It doesn't get much better than these. Or again, if you're looking for a rotary mixer, go for the Rane MP 2015s or the Alpha Theta Euphonia. Right, and here is my tip. Buy your mixers secondhand. You can use eBay, Facebook Marketplace or Reverb. You will save hundreds.